The right connection changes everything. But today, our outreach is cold, impersonal, ineffective. We're sending messages into a void. To break through the noise, you don't need a template. You need a specialized crew of AI agents. Introducing AI Personalized Message Generator for LinkedIn. It's an intelligent system that starts by understanding you. Our AI reads your profile to learn your unique skills, strengths, and professional story. Then, when you're ready to connect, your AI crew gets to work. Simply set your intent, a tone, a length, your call to action. In seconds, your AI crew performs a deep analysis. It reads their entire profile, their experience, their education, even their recent activity, looking for the why, the hook. The strategist agent finds the most potent connection vector to build a message on. Then, our executive ghostwriter agent writes the message. It's not a template. It's a strategic, human-like, and personalized draft. Stop writing cold messages. Start having warm conversations. The AI Personalized Message Generator for LinkedIn. Add to your browser today.